Boom, what's up everybody? My name is Kim Scogwell and today we're gonna be doing this picture here, the stepping up in difficulty with Topaz Mask AI. We did this last week in Affinity Photo, and again Affinity Photo did a fantastic job. So we're gonna see what the auto detect subject function here will do. And again, it's gonna be a time, how well they do, and the end result here. So without too much further ado, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and leave your comments down below if you like this tutorial. And next week we'll be doing this with Franzis Cutout Professional 5, and then we have one more picture after once we've done this one. Cool, so we're inside Topaz Mask AI, and we're just gonna hit here, auto detect subject, and start the timer now. It did a really quick job, and you can see a fantastic job on masking the guy out, but we missed some of the jacket he's holding there. So I'm just gonna mask out that area. I'm gonna go down here and I'm gonna just put this like so. I'm gonna add in green here on this red and blue part, just so we have it like that. And we don't need that blue and the blue down there, so we're just gonna take this one out as well. Other than that, we're gonna add in a little bit of blue here. There we go. Now I think we're ready to cook. So we're just gonna hit compute mask and let's see what it does. You can see it did a really good job. We have missed a little bit here, a little bit there, and up over the head here, it looks like. So I'm just gonna go up here and see if we can redo it. That's much better. I'm gonna go back here at the neck area too. I'm gonna do the same over here. Looks good, and then just gonna do it over here as well. That looks really good. And we have a little bit misunderstanding here, it looks like. So I just gotta paint that back in with the green brush. And we see we get some blue there, so we're just gonna just, and now I'm gonna use the red here, and we'll see if that helps out. Ah, I gotta tell you, I didn't expect it to have troubles with this thing, but apparently it does. So enough about that. We're gonna go over the head up here again. We're just gonna hit the red button, take there, and then there, and then the blue one again over on this side last time. Oh, it didn't do too much there. I just wanted to see what happened now. Good job. Now we're just gonna go up here and remove this. And there we go. Now you have it. Really quick, easy to do. It looks really good. I'm just gonna save this out, and next time we'll be doing the same cutout in Franzis Cutout Professional 5. And Topaz Studio makes this really easy. I'll give them that. I'll see you all next time. If you like this tutorial, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and leave your comments down below.